and good morning. It is National Day weekend, Singapore's National Day today, 9th of August. And we're out here flying again after a long time with everyone else. Let's see. Brian, you can wave now.
Yeah,
Hi, morning.
Brian, Shogun Emperor, Trey,
Yo,
Niger FPV,
what's occurring?
back from Nigeria. But he's as Singaporean as it can be.
Sorry, it's in red.
And my boy,
Hi. Why am I called your boy?
Mr. Lee,
There you go. Hey, hi.
and the man with the big quad.
Tong Ming. Wait, TM is what? Tong Ming or Tak Ming? Oh, it's TSE. GZ. Oh, TZE.
TZ. Then why you call him TM?
He calls himself TM.
Trademark.
Trademark, yes.
Oh, really?
Okay, we're gonna get all our stuff ready and then take flight. Check everything's working. I haven't flown in many months, so need to check.
Yeah.
How do I reach for the skies if I'm feeling low? Don't know where to go. How do I stand when it's time, when spirits are high and flags are flying? But then I come to the river that runs through my town, where our fathers and mothers have watered the ground, and the roads I have walked and the faces I know. Oh, I know, if we just look to each other, then this house will feel like home. And the more we're together, the further we'll go. You and I, we're not alone, not alone. You and I, we're not alone here. How do I know I belong? We'll find love for every creed and color if we lean on one another. How will I ever get there? All I know is you and me do better when we run together. Then I come to the river and fears start to fade. My brothers and sisters, we journey the same, and I know, if we just look to each other, then this house will feel like home. And the more we're together, the further we'll go. You and I, we're not alone, not alone. Just one ripple in a river can be the one to turn the tide. When the water rises, I'll be right by your side. And if they ask am I home when I'm miles apart, I'll think of the people I hold in my heart, the family I found and the faces I know. Oh, I know, if we just